head and rub your tummy. Good. Now your hiccups are gone.
Peppa's cure for hiccups doesn't seem to have worked.
George, you've done it all wrong. I know a better way to cure hiccups. First, jump up and down 3 times on one leg. Now, wave your arms up and down and stick your tongue out.